True Jamaican vibes, fire Reid. Yeah man, big up on yourself anywhere you now watch from. Yeah man, just giving a scenic peek on Dead End Beach. Yeah man, see what go on in the Montego Bay side. Down on the Dead End Beach. You don't want to come for a swim. You can come at the Dead End Beach area. Come take a walk. Enjoy the scenery. See a lot of different vendors out here selling them sugar cane. A lot of stuff they're selling out here. So if you're booking a Sea Garden hotel, you know say down on the side and have to come. This is the Sea Garden Hotel on your right. So now go cross over the beach and have a swim. So big up on yourself when you now watch from yard and abroad. You can big up on yourself on the tour guide, fire Reid. Yeah man, true Jamaican vibes, you know. How can we forget about our beautiful island Jamaica, the land we love? Love the curry goat and ackee and salt fish. What do you say? Leave in the comment section, man, where you watch from. Feel proud of your Jamaica. Big up on yourself, you know. See a lot of on Sunday daytime, Saturday. A lot of people from all over the Montego Bay city come enjoy the beach. So we just passing the Sandals area. So it's not a busy day today in this area. Big up yourself, mommy. Houseless. So it's all about the paper. See it? Signed on the wall in Dead End Beach. Yeah. If you ever been here before, leave in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this area. Yeah man, leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about this area. If you don't want to stay playing them at touchdown, you come that side here and see when they playing them at touchdown, you know. It's a very, very nice scenery. I don't see where much changes in this area. As far as I see, things remain the same. And the road and stuff don't look too bad. Street kind of clean. make the left turn, will take you all to Ken Avenue. So thanks for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid.